I'm out walking again this morning, and I thought I would give you a little front yard tour of another home in my neighborhood. This is a house that I helped with years ago. A friend of mine lived here, and I helped her with the backyard. Since then, another homeowner has moved in, a brilliant gardener. Hopefully I will be able to show you the backyard. He is a bonsai enthusiast and is just a brilliant gardener. But look at these wonderful Tudor appointments, notably those window boxes. Now you're going to ask me how he waters them, and I'm not really sure, but they just are the perfect European, I think, accent to this house. You can also see that he has a flower bed that goes from the drive up to his front door and leads the eye. And his color palette is largely pinks and reds. And he's got this gorgeous blue atlas cedar that cascades and arches over the garage door that is painted with trim work to match the house. And that is a large Nellie Stevens holly in the back, all pruned up. Now he also has, excuse my shakiness, has a wonderful large pot that sits to the left of his front door. And I love the way there is an address marker right there. I like the black color of the front door. It really pops against that light brick. It's actually a deep wood color, I should say, a deep brown wood color. And then over here, because it's all about the details, and I don't have a mic on, you guys, I was just out walking and thought you'd enjoy this. I want to show you the wonderful lanterns that he has on either side of his garage. They flicker like candles. And they're, again, the perfect European appointment. Look how gorgeous those colors look, the limey green and those dark greens, and then the stepping stones that are approximately the color of the stucco in the house that lead to the front door. And look how beautifully the light reflects off of the golds in the landscape. Again, this guy is a brilliant gardener. I have toured his garden in the past, and I need to ask him if I can do that again. Look at that. Again, this is a 1930s home. You'll see that there is a large flower bed that runs down the east side, where he has some kind of dramatic punctuations. There's some ginger there, lots of pink caladiums, some spiky plants. It manages to be both a feminine and a masculine garden simultaneously. You can see in the back he's got a pot sitting in the flower bed. And then that kind of spikiness is replicated over here to the west of his front door. Look at that beautiful copper downspout and the stone on his house. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm trying not to be too obtrusive in the neighborhood. And then he's got a wonderful aggregate drive. Now, in case I haven't mentioned it before, I live in a historic preservation area, so everything you do to the exterior of the house or to the house itself or above grade on your lawn has to be approved by the Historic Preservation Committee. And so sometimes getting things done can be rather arduous when you need to make some changes and update your house and modernize it to a certain extent. I also want you to see just how beautifully this tree is pruned. And at Christmas time, it is lit in an absolutely glorious way. from the trunk all the way up to the top. And then he's got great borrowed landscape and a shingled roofed house next door. Very, 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 very English countryside. So I hope you guys have enjoyed. Let me see if I can, before I sign off, show you that wonderful window box. If that doesn't say the Alps or something, I don't know what does. So hope you enjoyed this little tour. You guys have a great Saturday and a wonderful weekend. Stay safe and stay well.